Hi everyone, welcome back Unity Car. This is the new explosion, the 2025 Yamaha R15 V5. A bike that doesn't just win hearts, it stops people in their tracks. On Unity Car channel today, we're only talking about its killer, bold and breathtaking exterior. No engine talk, no interiors. Just the one thing that hits your eyes first on the road. The dangerous, irresistible, and stunning design of the bike. The 2025 R15 V5 comes with a design that screams superbike. This time, Yamaha has changed the game. At the front, you get a brand new LED projector headlight. It feels like the bike is ready to shoot fire any second. With wide, shining DRLs that make it a beast at night. And if you've seen it in daylight, your heart will just whisper, "Wow, what a beauty." There's also a new aerodynamic windscreen at the front. It doesn't just look sporty but cuts through air like a missile. It's not a bike, it's a warrior on a mission. The side panels of the 2025 R15 V5. They're so sharp, it feels like a superstar racer is passing by you. And the new graphics, unreal, every line and every stroke tells a story. This isn't a bike, it's a moving piece of art. Now let's talk about the rear section. The tail lights on the new R15 V5 are even sharper now. It's like someone took the taillights from a sports car and put them on a bike. With the rear fender and integrated indicators, the whole bike gets a bold and complete racing look. When this bike takes a turn, people automatically pause and look back. Talking about color options, Yamaha hasn't held back this time. Every color is bold, vibrant, and wild enough to match your attitude. Especially that metallic black shade. It just screams, "Take me home now." And the best part, the stance of the 2025 Yamaha R15 V5. Whether it's parked or flying on the road, one thing's for sure, you can't take your eyes off it. Now here's the question, is this bike just for show, or will it truly rule the roads? Are you ready to experience the madness of this machine? And if you liked even one thing about it, drop a comment right now and tell us, what's the most killer feature of this beast? The headlight, the taillight, the color, or the entire deadly vibe? Like the video, subscribe to Unity Car, and get ready for more insane videos of this bike, because here you'll get the view that no one else gives you. This is Unity Car, where every bike becomes alive on screen. So open the comments, speak your heart, and tell us, did you fall in love with this bike or not?